Hey guys, so this YouTube video is about camping by the creek. We decided to stay close to home this time and unwind on a little camping trip by the creek. We enjoyed two locations. The first one was by the creek, where I took photos of birds and Conor fished. The second location was by the truck, where we had dinner and our tent under the stars. Conor set up. He's such a gentleman. He does it all. I feel like a little princess when we go camping. We brought the children with us. They ran up and down the hills so many times I lost count. They are exhausted. When Conor was done setting us up, it was time for fishing. First, he got ready his pole, and he brought his waders so he could take a stroll on the creek.
Let's go fishing. Hey, nice little rainbow. You have to eat them now. Sorry, buddy.
Meantime, Conor was having fun catching fish. I was waiting for little birds to show up. They eventually did. A robin and a yellow-bellied flycatcher were checking me out. The robin was braver, and he checked me out first on a rock in the middle of the creek, and then from the other side.
Not my rod.
Oh, boo!
Ooh, but I got a
Little guy!
nice little rainbow.
Nice!
Yeah.
Later, when it was getting dark, we changed the location. Where we enjoy a nice fire, I helped Conor clean the area around the fire pit and brought firewood. Conor collected rocks and played Tetris with them to make us a nice, deep fire pit. So this is our campsite for tonight. That is our view. And there's our campsite.
So guys, we're here camping at said creek. I've already improved the fire pit a little bit. I'm gonna dig it out a little bit more. Thank you, Julieta, for going and collecting firewood so they can have us a nice little campfire. And yeah, let's make this happen.
he lit it up with the little sticks and a piece of paper towel. We enjoyed the campfire, a book, and the stars that night. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a cow crossing the creek. Oh look, there's a calf!
Hey guys, we just spent a beautiful evening yesterday camping. It's a beautiful morning. Got everything loaded up, about ready to head home. Luckily we're not too far from the house, but doesn't matter where you are, make sure you always pack it in, pack it out, don't leave anything behind.
Hey guys, you help us a lot if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment and a like. See you next week!